Welcome to another episode of Jumpin in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today, this is what's jumping in my pot. Corned Beef Brisket Stew. Let's get to it. Let's get to the ingredients. Black pepper, dried thyme, paprika, bay leaf, Worcestershire sauce, beef stock. I have here onions and scallions chopped up, minced garlic, diced celery, minced parsley, tomato paste, red and green bell peppers, I have here diced potatoes and carrots, and I have here diced tomatoes. And I have a pot here with cold water, and I have the corned beef brisket in the pot. We're going to boil this in the pot for about 30 minutes. The reason why is because corned beef brisket is preserved with salt and it's kind of salty, so we're going to cook some of the salt out of it. Now that the corned beef has been boiling for the 30 minutes, I've taken it out of the pot, and this is what we do next. You take it and cut it into cubes. You see, this is the corned beef brisket that I cubed up. Now, this is what we're going to do next. We're going to turn the pot to medium, low, and we're going to add the corned beef back to the pot. We're going to saute it up. The next step is we add the tomato paste. And we stir everything up together and let this cook for about 2 minutes. Okay, we've coated all the meat with the tomato paste, and after 2 minutes, we will come back to the next step. Now we add the garlic. We mix it up. Let this saute with the garlic for about 30 seconds. Now, this is what we do next. We add the beef broth, and we add the diced tomatoes. The Worcestershire sauce, the paprika, the black pepper, we add the thyme. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. And we add the bay leaf. And along with that, we're going to add some water. Stir everything up. And we cover this up and let it cook for about 1 hour. And after that, we will come back and add the vegetables. Now it's time for all the vegetables to jump into the pot. Now, we're going to mix everything up together and let this cook for about half an hour more, or until the vegetables are nice and tender. Here you have it, corned beef brisket stew. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.